Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Discord using the desktop app. Adding friends allows you to chat, call, and interact with other users more easily. Let us get started. The first thing is to open Discord on your computer. Once Discord opens, click on the Direct Messages icon located at the top of the left sidebar. In the Direct Messages section, click on the Friends tab near the top of the window. On the Friends page, click the Add Friend button. You will see a field where you can enter a username. Type the Discord username of the person you want to add as a friend. Make sure you enter the username exactly as it appears, including any special characters if applicable. After entering the username, click Send Friend Request. If the username is valid, Discord will send a friend request to that user. You will see a confirmation message indicating that the friend request has been sent successfully. To check the status of your request, click on the Pending tab within the Friends section. Once the other person accepts your request, they will appear in your friends list. You can then click on their name to start a conversation, make a voice call, or begin a video call. And that is how to add friends on Discord. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful guides. See you in the next one.